Ugly! Go!
The wind's tearing everything apart!
Damn it! Wind wall's closed!
Now what do we do?
We should head for that crane!
Shit! We gotta get past that fence!
Yeah, but how? There's no gate!
Now we gotta knock it down! Ha! That worked! Let's get to the crane!
Go, go!
Oh, shit! Lightning flurry!
Don't let him touch you!
We should be okay here!
Oh yeah? Define okay!
Not immediately dead!
Holy shit!
Hey, what I miss? Everyone okay? Kate still has her hat? Good, good. Hey, Ugly. You stay here, okay? So runaways. These big cog walls make you feel a little homesick?
Wow. Again with this runaway bullshit?
You know we don't need you, right? Reyna told Del and me to do this, not you.
Sorry, smart guy. Where she goes, I go.
I don't need a babysitter, Uncle.
Then call me a chaperone.
How about I call you hungover?
Oh, you got some chuff, boy, don't you?
Uncle, you're obviously hungover.
Actually, I'm still a little drunk.
Cog settlements are built from the inside out, which means the fabricators in the construction hub at the center of town. We grab it, we leave.
You can count on a lot of security DBs in there.
There hasn't been an outsider raid in 6 months. We'll have the element of surprise.
You can't surprise a robot, smart guy.
We used to command DBs, remember?
Oh yeah, like a settlement too.
Hey, that wasn't their fault.
You got bigger problems than stubbornness, young one.
Okay, there's the construction hub. Just gotta figure out a way to get there.
Well, our only way in is down. Let's go.
2 weeks ago, there was nothing here. And already they're building up the outer ring.
Well, they're not worried about raids, so it probably speeds things up.
Watch her. He doesn't see us.
Let's keep it that way.
You know, the deeper we go towards the center, the more DBs we'll have up our asses.
Which is exactly why Del and I should be doing this alone.
If we get caught, we can reason with Jen.
I did 15 years in the cog. Highly decorated. Maybe I'd like to discuss with Jin this so-called war you say she was looking to start.
Or our other option, not getting caught.
Hey, ladders! Let's get back to street level!
That explains how they're building so fast.
Good thing that was a builder and not a watcher.
Oscar will be fine. I think I know how to avoid watchers.
Remain where you are.
Ah, shit.
Shepherds will escort you from the premises.
Let me handle this.
Citizen, you are not authorized.
No citizens here.
Really?
What? Citizen implies we claim allegiance to a centralized authority. I think of myself as part of an anarcho collective.
Citizen, your act of violence has been noted.
All right. Guess we're doing this the old-fashioned.
Cease and desist.
I don't think so.
Firing.
Another Shepherd destroyed. Another one. Come on.
Great. So they know we're here. Smart guy. What now?
Now, new plan. We fight our way to the fabricator. Shit. Gotcha!
Cease and desist immediately. Unlawful citizens fire.
Another dead Shepherd!
Reloading. Reading.
All right, we're clear. Oh shit! Tracker!
Tell me that was an accident!
All right, that's all of them. Anyone see a way out of here?
I see a security gate. A locked security gate.
All right, hold up. Let me think for a second.
Whoa! JD, did you do that?
That wasn't me.
You sure you two aren't COG spies?
Uncle, please. Do you think the COG invented flares?
You saying they didn't? Well, even if you are spies, at least we didn't have to teach you how to fight.
Yeah, what is the deal with you outsiders? Most of Raina's people couldn't fight their way out of bed.
Oh, you don't want Uncle teaching anyone. He taught me to fight. He's lucky I still speak to him.
Hey, I was very supportive.
That's one way to describe it. Not an accurate way, but a way.
All right, we're in the second ring. We should be getting close.
Look alive! DB's incoming!
Help us help you.
Another dead Shepherd!
Targets engaged.
More DBs. Come and get it.
Cease and desist. All hostile activity. Firing. Targets acquired. Reload initiated.
Look, the construction hub's just over that wall. Unless it magically lowers! No, we need a way around.
I don't get it. All the raids stopped, at my mother's order. This is a lot of security.
Wait, you're not having...
Let's go through the maternity annex.
Do we have to?
What? What is it?
Just all the baby stuff.
You got an issue?
No, I have an issue with being told I need to have one. Best thing my mother did was raise me away from all this.
Yeah, well, to be fair, we do need to repopulate.
Oh, yeah? Where do I sign up?
Ew.
There's a construction hub. They're following regs, and they always follow regs. Right? The fabricator's inside.
And that maintenance access is our way in.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get to that access door.
Heads up, watcher!
We're not done yet, young ones!
Reload commencing.
That's the last one!
Nice work, young ones. Now let's steal that goddamn fabricator.
Oh, look at that. Cog deactivated our access codes.
Well, we are enemies of the state.
What? Come on. Cog didn't teach you how to hack a simple access lock? Get out of the way. Excuse me.
Look, that's state-of-the-art Cog technology. I don't think... Oh, okay.
You two go get that fabricator. We'll watch the door.
I'm going too.
Oh, no, you're not. It's safer out here. Door's closing, young ones. Okay? God damn it.
So, let's get this heist underway.
Yep, our fabricator should be down in one of the storage bays.
Well, technically, it's their fabricator.